Everybody's making AI cartoons now. Almost nobody's making a long one. Here's mine.
First camping trip, Kudo! You ready, buddy? Trail scan complete. Adventure, this way. Smell that? We're really in the woods now. Ground level, dry, and shady. Approved.
Systems.
That was a small piece of it. 30 scenes, the same boy, the same robot, right through to the end. None of that drift where your character quietly turns into somebody else halfway through. That's the part nobody gets right. And it's why most AI cartoons never make it past 5 seconds. I built this in an afternoon, paid nothing, and the trickiest bit isn't the animating. It's the last step that decides whether 30 clips feel like a film or a pile of clips. Here's all of it. It all starts with the story, and we're going to clear the entire planning stage in one move. Claude handles the writing, and here's the beautiful part. This whole workflow needs exactly one command, one message in, and it hands back everything at once. The full story, the cast, and a finished prompt for every single shot we're about to make, dialogue included. So I paste in my one big command and let it work. And there it is, the whole blueprint laid out. 30 scenes, each with its own image prompt and a matching motion prompt, plus locked character descriptions, so your cast never shifts on you between shots. And in 3D, those locked descriptions are everything, because holding a detailed character steady across 30 scenes is exactly where most people lose the plot. Claude's handled that for us. And the moment you're happy, the hard thinking is done. Everything after this is just assembly. Let's meet the cast. The images come from Gemini, the model people keep calling Nano Banana, and it won't cost you anything. Head to Claude, copy both character prompts together, the two of them in one go, and drop them straight into Gemini. Generate, and there they are, both of your stars, side by side in a single frame, sharing one world. Save this one, because it's the anchor for every scene you're about to build. And in 3D, this anchor is the thing that keeps your characters from slowly turning into strangers halfway through. Now we start building scenes, and I'll take the first few with you so the rhythm sinks in. For scene 1, go to Claude, copy the scene 1 prompt, paste it into Gemini with your reference image, and hit enter. Couple of seconds, and there's your opening shot, the setup, who we're following, what's coming. Nice and clean. Scene 2, back to Claude, copy the scene 2 prompt into Gemini with your reference, enter. And look at that, the story's moving now, and the characters haven't shifted a hair from scene 1. Same faces, same colors, same everything. Scene 3, Claude again, copy the prompt, paste into Gemini, enter. This is usually the point where your story tosses in its first surprise, a twist, a turn, a little bit of chaos. Scene 4, Claude, copy into Gemini, enter. And that consistency you're seeing, that's the tough part in 3D, but your reference image is quietly doing all of it for you. Scene 5, one more time, Claude, copy the scene 5 prompt into Gemini, enter. 5 scenes deep, and your cast still looks identical to scene 1. That's the whole trick right there. So that's your rhythm, Claude, copy, into Gemini, enter. Carry it straight down the line through all 30 scenes, then scroll back through the full batch and regenerate anything that looks off before we start bringing them to life. 30's a big number, so cue up a podcast and settle in. This is the long haul. Okay, this is the part the whole video is built around. To animate every one of these, we're using Google Vids. And here's the thing, most people don't even know it exists. Open Google Docs, click into the menu and look for Google Vids, and that's it. It's been sitting right there the whole time. Running inside it is Veo 3.1, Google's video model, completely free to use. No card, no trial, no catch. It almost feels like Google made a mistake letting this one out for nothing. Now scene 1, over on the side panel, click AI Video, and the panel opens up with 3 tabs, Create, Edit, and Animate, and we want Animate. Down at the bottom, check that it says Veo 3.1 and Landscape, and if it does, you're set. Click Add Image and upload your scene, 1 image, then go to Claude, copy the scene 1 motion prompt, paste it into the box, and hit the arrow. Give it about 30 seconds, and there it is. Drop it onto your canvas, and listen to that.
First camping trip, Kudo! You ready, buddy?
The dialogue is right there in the clip, mouths moving in sync, ambient sound baked in. You didn't record a thing, you didn't hunt for sound effects. Veo built the whole scene from words. Scene 2. AI video, animate, add image, upload your scene to frame, then back to Claude, copy the scene to prompt, paste it in, and hit the arrow. A few seconds later, drop it on the canvas, and off they go again, talking, moving, the story stacking up, shot by shot.
Trail scan complete. Adventure. This way.
Scene 3. AI video, animate, add image, upload the frame, then Claude, copy the prompt, paste, and send. Another moment, caught in motion.
Smell that? We're really in the woods now.
Scene 4. Add image, upload, then Claude, copy the prompt, paste it in, and send. Smooth movement again, the same character carried right through. Scene 5. Upload the frame, then Claude, copy the prompt, paste, and send. That's your loop now. AI video, animate, add image, upload the frame, copy the prompt from Claude, paste, and send. Run it through all 30 scenes, and before long, your whole story is sitting on that canvas, up and moving and talking. Quick honest note, Google Vids gives every account a set number of free generations, so pace yourself and they'll refresh over time. Moving on. Home stretch, and this is the step I mentioned at the start, the one that decides everything, and here's the good news. You don't need another app for it, because Google Vids does the editing too. Your clips are already sitting on the timeline in order, and because each one carries its own dialogue and sound, most of the work is done for you. So what's left is pacing. Trim the dead air off the start and end of every clip so the conversation flows naturally from one scene into the next. Then dress it up. Click the little icon between two clips and the transitions panel opens up. Dissolve, fade, push, slide, scale, spin, plenty to pick from, and keep them quick so the pacing stays tight. Over on the side panel, hit captions, choose all scenes, and pick a caption style you like. There are loads of them, bold ones, highlighted ones, word-by-word emphasis, and captions matter more than people think because so many viewers scroll with the sound off. And when everything looks right, go up to File at the top and click Download MP4. Give it a few seconds, and there it is, your finished animation sitting in your Downloads folder.
First camping trip, Cuddle. You ready, buddy? Trail scan complete. Adventure. This way. Smell that? We're really in the woods now. Ground level, dry, and shady. Approved.
Systems.
And that's the entire thing. A full-length 3D cartoon. Story, cast, motion, dialogue, and sound, all built from start to finish without paying for a single tool. Off one command to Claude. A system you can run again for any idea that pops into your head as many times as you like. If this helped you out, go ahead and subscribe. There's a fresh AI animation tutorial here every week. Catch you in the next one.